Hello, viewers, and welcome back. Today, we're learning about expenses, particularly the payroll accounting team's part of the process. Stealthywood has become such a large company that we deal with around 100 expenses every time we process payroll. Once employee expenses have been submitted and approved, they need to be reimbursed, typically through the employee's paycheck. Our payroll accountants have to assign each individual expense to the correct general ledger account, or GL for my acronym lovers. For example, an expense using a category accommodation would be assigned to the GL account 6610 for airfare/hotel. This takes a lot of time though, and it's easy to make mistakes when handling a lot of expenses. With AI, we can actually have Odoo automatically assign the GL code for each expense instead of manually assigning them, saving a lot of time, preventing errors, and ultimately getting employees paid back in a timely manner. AI can help reduce our payroll accountant's time, and so that when it comes time to assign expenses to the right accounts, it's a lot faster. Payroll is processed faster since there are fewer mistakes to correct, and paychecks don't need to be canceled and redone. That means accurate paychecks to our employees with their expenses reimbursed to them. Now, let's see how all of this works. So to begin, first be sure that you are in developer mode. Now we're going to take a look at our expense categories by clicking on configuration up at the top and expense categories. So we have a nice little list here, and each category has a reference code. Let's open up the first one over here called Customer Consultancy Lodging/Hotel. The cost here is 0 because we tell Odoo what we paid when we create the expense. Now this expense account field over here, this tells us which general ledger account to list this expense to. We spend a lot of time trying to determine the appropriate reference for each expense, which in turn determines the expense account or GL for the expense. That cascades all the way down to payroll and accounting in general, and having expenses show up for the wrong account can be a real pain. Not just for our accountants, but when it's time for our financial audits. So let's see how AI can help reduce our workload when it comes to expenses. So let's see my current expenses by selecting my expenses and my expenses over here up at the top. So I recently went to a couple of road shows over in Texas where I debuted our new summer collection, and I have some expenses associated with that. I also have my company's cell phone bills from the last few months, which I forgot to submit earlier. So to have AI set the category and account automatically, I'm going to use Studio to create an automation that tells the AI what to do. First, I'm going to open up one of our expenses that we have over here, and then I'm going to select the nice little tools icon for Studio. Okay, since there's a decent amount to configure, I actually already started my automation. So let's go over to automations and select it right there, just to save us a little bit of time. So as you can tell, I already have the model set correctly. It is set to expense. The model is correct, so we can move on. But we happen to have this trigger area, and this is set to onCreate, which means the AI will perform the action when I create the expense record. Since I don't want it to run this action right away, I'm actually going to change this from onCreate to state is set to, and then I'm going to select submitted over here for the second portion. So now that I've selected that second field, it's now for submitted, so the AI will wait to perform the action when the expense is submitted, not created. Now we also have over here our nice little domain. And these two fields state that this will apply to all records with a status of submitted, which is exactly what we want. Now below that, we have our nice little tab, Actions to Do. This is where I specified what the AI should do. I'm going to click on the Set Expense one right there. And, well, we could see all the configurations, and it's quite a lot. So I named this one Set Expense. Makes it easy to keep track of what this is. So the type of action over here is Update Record, since we create the expense record, and we just need the AI to update a couple fields. For this Update with AI field, I selected this from this drop-down that we happen to have. If you don't see it, it's because I'm on a different operating system, so I'm going through them. We have Sequence, and we also have Update. I'm going to discard it so we can reopen it and get back to where we were. And last but not least, we happen to have the field being modified, and that is the category. So below this, I have now listed all the instructions for this specific automation. These rules tell the AI what exactly to do. The first sentence that we have over here tells the AI that it should read the description and look for some keywords. Each line that we have going down this list explains what to look for, and if the text is present, it'll assign the correct category. For example, look at this one. The word roadshow appears in the description, letting the AI know to categorize the expense as transportation and accommodations, and we have that as trans and ACC. You can add as many rules as you want, just like you can create as many expense categories as you like. Since this is all configured the way I want to, I'm just going to hit save below, manually save up at the top, Now that we have our automation done, we can see how this works. I'm going to go back to my list of expenses by clicking on my expenses and then my expenses once again. Great, would you look at that? So all of these happen to be in draft mode and all the categories are listed as as in general expenses. I'm going to select all of these expenses by selecting the box over here next to employee. And then once we're done with that, well, it's time for us to select submit. Now we're going to let Odoo think for a little bit because don't forget to give the database a second. It's thinking hard about how to categorize these. And just like that, Odooers, the categories have been updated accordingly. And there you have it. We learned how to have AI assign the right category and the GL accounts to expenses. So, based on the description, we were able to do all of this for each expense. This saves time by reducing the amount of work needed to create expenses. Instead of assigning a category up front, employees and managers only have to review the AI assigned expense categories. We just have to edit one of those lines. Now, the bottom line on that note is that payroll is processed faster and correctly, reimbursing employees for their expenses and posting them to the right journals. No more canceling and reissuing checks. Correct expenses impact the entire company. When expenses are done correctly, we can see exactly what things cost. Our marketing team has a better understanding of what it costs to host out-of-state events when adding up all the employee expenses for lodging, travel, and meals. When it's time for internal audits, our finance department has a much easier time knowing their expenses are all in order, so when tax season rolls around, we're even more prepared for the tax man. See you in the next tutorial, Odooers.